Tonight we presented this movie Lamborghini, which is the first movie that we built the first collaboration for a live action between, again, our company in Italy and our company here in Serbia.
For me, this movie, it's a great opportunity because we tell two stories about the young Lamborghini and the old Lamborghini.
Fioruccio Lamborghini was a genius and he made the most wonderful cars.
And I think what we can see in this movie teach us that if we really want something, we can get it.
But the power of this movie is that it's really made of feelings, good feelings, sincere feelings.
We actually did some visual effects, some post-production here in our studio. So we are expanding our business more and more here in Serbia, but still with the same mission of doing great projects from Serbia around the world.
I visited the studios recently and I was really impressed by the creativity of the people who are working at the studios.
Well, I believe that the collaboration between Italy and Serbia, specifically animation, has been terrific. I think both countries have a similar ethos. Where Serbia really shines is its ability to get things done today that other countries want to do tomorrow. There's a high level of craftsmanship. The artisans, the technicians, the artists themselves are committed to doing a good project. And I think that Serbians as a whole have a loyalty to finishing a project and finishing it well.
This film festival is very important because it puts both countries together.
Since the first year, I thought that the aim of the festival would have been to put together the professionals from both countries in order to start new projects together. I think that the most successful achievement after all these years of the festival, it has been the coming of in Serbia of Andrea Iervolino and Lady Monica Baccardi, who were able to establish two studios.
This festival, of course, is a contribution also to the internationalization of our cinema production, and probably in the next weeks we will finalize a bilateral agreement between Italy and Serbia with regard to cinema co-production.
And we can put our know-how, Italian and Serbian, together to make good products.